Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all some amazing deals that y'all can do any day of the week using that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, plus we have a couple of glitches. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So when you're in the store, it is very, very important to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store, especially right now when we have these price increases going on and prices are changing from day to day. Alright guys, so in this video, we're going to be going over some deals that y'all can do any day of the week using that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. Now, if you don't have one of those on your account, make sure that you go and check out the video. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. I made a video going over the 3 off 15 DG store coupon last week and walking y'all through step by step how to add that onto your account. So definitely go and check out that video if you haven't already. Alright guys, so first up, we're going to go over a couple of glitches that we have going on with this 3 off 15 DG store coupon. So first up, this is a glitch that we had going on last week, and it is still good to go for this week. So we have the Crush 12 packs. They are $5.95 each. Pick up 3. That's going to put your subtotal at $17.85. But these are on sale, 3 for $12. But in the system, it is picking up that regular price at $17.85. Then it's taking off the sale. Plus, we have a 2 off 3 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $7 for all 3, making those $2.33 each. Now, a couple of quick notes on this glitch. This is working as a pickup order, and you can also include some of the other 12 packs if you would like. You can definitely mix and match. You can pick up the ginger ale, the brisk teas, or the mug root beer 12 packs. Alright, so next up we have another glitch. Now this one is for sure working as a pickup order, but I have not confirmed whether it's working at the register or not, and I don't have a self-checkout to see if it's working at self-checkout. If any of you guys try it, please come back and let us know how it went, but you guys do not have to do that because it is definitely working as a pickup order. So this week we have the Dr. Pepper 12 packs. Now, these are on sale this week, 3 for $13, but again, with that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, it's picking up the regular price. It's taking off the sale plus your 3 off 15, so that's going to leave you paying $10 for all 3. Now, we do have some other 12 packs that are included in this sale, and you should be able to mix and match and still come out with the same subtotal of $10 for 3. So, included in this sale is Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, RC Cola, 7-Up, Sunkist, and A&W 12 packs. Now, if you're more of a Coca-Cola and Sprite person, we also have that same glitch going on with the Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. Again, this is working as a pickup order. I cannot confirm whether it's working at the register or self-checkout yet. So, pick up 3 of the Coca-Cola or Sprite 12 packs. You can mix and match. Those are also on sale this week, 3 for $13. And again, with this glitch, it's picking up the original price, which would put you at $20.25, but it's taking off the sale plus that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $10 for all 3. Alright guys, so that is it for our glitches. Now we're going to get into some deals that y'all can do any day of the week using that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. Now this first one I'm very excited about. I already did this transaction in store and it worked out perfectly. And I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Debra at Williams Bus, my good friend, for helping me figure this one out. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Scott paper towels 6 count at $5.95, 2 of the Scott bath tissue 12 count at $4.75 each, one of the big Simply Solar razors at $3.45, and one of the Airwick warmers at $1.95. That's going to put your subtotal at $20.85. But this week at Dollar General, they decided to bring back the instant savings on the Scott brand products. So when you spend $15 on Scott brand products, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $17.85. Now, here is a picture of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 3 off 15 DG store coupon, your 1 off 1 Scott paper towels, your 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 4 off 1 Bic razors, and the $1.95 off 1 Airwick warmer. Your subtotal after coupons will be $6.90 for all 5 items, making each one just $1.38 each. So, how awesome is that for an any day deal? And once you're done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards Rebate app, because right now we have a couple of different bonuses right now for the Scott brand products, and these are the ones that you can work toward over time. So just make sure that you're scanning in your receipt so that you can earn points on those products. Alright, so for this next deal, you want to pick up 3 of the Dove Body Wash 12-ounce bottles at $5 each, 1 of the Dove Bar Soaps, 1 count at $1, 1 of the Big Simply Solo Razors at $3.45. That is going to put your subtotal at $19.45. We have an instant savings this week on the Dove products. For when you spend $8, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register. So in this scenario, you're spending a total of $16 on Dove products, so a total of $4 in instant savings should come off first at the register. That's going to bring your new subtotal down to $15.45. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 3 off 3 Dove DG store coupon, and the 4 off 1 Bic razors. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.45 for all 5 items, making each one just $1.09 each. And I think this is a pretty good deal considering we are getting 3 of the Dove body washes that were originally $15. Alright, next up we have a low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the Purex Laundry Pack 17 count at $3.50, 1 of the Scott Bath Tissue 12 count at $4.75, 1 of the Airwick Warmers at $1.95, 1 of the Big Simply Solo Razors at $3.45, and 1 of the Pond's Face Moisturizers for $2. That's going to put your subtotal at $15.65. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 2 off 1 Purex packs, the 1 off 1 Scott Bath Tissue, the $1.95 off 1 Airwick Warmer, the 4 off 1 Bic Razors, and the 75-cent off 1 Pond's product. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $2.94 for all 5 items, making each one just 58 cents each. So how awesome is that, guys? Alright guys, so that is it for all of the 3 off 15 daily deals that I've come up with so far. I may come up with a few more, you just never know. So make sure that you stay tuned. But if you need some more ideas or if you need some substitutions, go back and watch the Good Deals and Glitch List video that I uploaded on Monday. I'll also have that one linked in the pinned comment down below because we have some really good deals and coupon matchups going on at Dollar General this week. Now again, once y'all are done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards Rebate app. I did mention that a couple of times in this video. The Scott brand products are included. The Dove brand products are included. So scan, scan, scan so that you don't miss out on earning those points. Now if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on. This is the easiest rebate app out there. I always highly recommend it, especially if you are a new couponer, because you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to add anything onto your account. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt once you're done shopping. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then later on you can turn those points into gift cards. So definitely go and check it out, and if you want to, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below, and if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but make sure that y'all stay tuned because I've already been to Family Dollar this week, plus I'm going to be doing a Walgreens pickup order tomorrow, so make sure that you are subscribed, turn on this notification so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Also, please hit that thumbs up button. It is a free way and easy way that y'all can help your girl out, and it really does make a huge difference in how my videos perform. Also, leave me a comment down below because y'all know I love hearing from you, and please share the video, even if you just share it to yourself. YouTube don't know. Hit that share button and send it to yourself in a text message or an email, or send it to your best friend so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.